Welcome to the orchard at Sissinghurst in early October. I think if there was just one part of Sissinghurst that I would take away with me, it's the orchard. I just love the space. There's something about it. It's simple, yet it's completely absorbing all year through. From spring, when we've got the wildflowers and bulbs, through to the autumn and the fruit in the apple trees. So in this lesson today, what we'd like to do is just think about bulb planting. The orchard at its best should be really simple. It's not about another garden room as such. There's 10 garden rooms at Sissinghurst, and in the orchard it's something much more pared back and simple. And so when we're thinking about bulb planting, that's the approach we want to take. We want to think about how bulbs might look naturally. If you see them in the wild, how might they appear? And that wouldn't be right for everybody. You know, you might want a more regimented effect, but here in our orchard we want this very natural, very simple, relaxed sort of approach to planting. So we'll explore that a little bit later. But the orchard itself is this magical space. It actually was a moated medieval manor house here centuries ago, and 2 arms of a moat are still here, so the orchard itself is surrounded and sort of protected by this body of water, and then also this curtain of trees, these oak trees that line the moat, some of them 300 years old, just give this sense of sort of intimacy, I guess. And within this space we could be also timeless. You know, time really stands still here.